Hello friend, let's find Lightning McQueen. Let's go. Whoa, Dr. Feelbad.
Your next stop is the hospital. Whoa!
Don't worry, I'll bring you some flowers.
Oh, that's gotta hurt.
Wow, Tormentor. Yeah.
I'm dead.
This is Lightning McQueen.
This is awesome!
Look at these guys. Friend. Oh, who is that? Cruz Ramirez. Yeah. Oh, cool.
I'm gonna make you scream! Where did he go?
This is Sheriff. Yeah.
I haven't gone this fast in years. I'm gonna blow a gasket or something. Serpentine! Serpentine! Serpentine!
Who is that? Tomato. Wow.
We'll try telling that to them there bulldozers.
Senior Mater!
Wow, Francesco. Haha.
Take a good look at Francesco now. Once the race begins, you will see only a blur. Ho-ho!
This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah.
Style!
Spinning dragon attack!
Yeah!
Oh, who is that? Cruz Ramirez.
Oh, yeah! Your license plate's gonna look real nice in my collection! Oh, wait.
Oh, who is that?
Oh, look at you!
Brand new and ready to roll.
Oh, this is Red. Wow.
Ooh, Red, you missed a spot. Share it right there in the hood, right
no.
Bulldozer. Hello friend, let's find Lightning McQueen. Let's go. This is Dynaca Lightning McQueen. Cool, DJ. Yeah. This is Holly. Cool. Wow, rod burner. Yeah. Bingo. Haha. Cool! Chick Hicks! Yeah! This is Lightning McQueen! Wow! This is Lightning McQueen! Yeah! This is Lightning McQueen! Yeah! Wow! Tormentor! Yeah! This is Lightning McQueen! Yeah! Look at these guys! Frank! This is Miss Fritter! Wow! Oh, this is Red! Wow! This is Miss Fritter! Wow!
Your license plate's gonna look real nice in my collection! Oh, wait.
This is Lightning McQueen! Wow!
Lightning McQueen.
And Lightning McQueen!
Wow! Tormentor! Yeah!
Here comes a nice fresh pour!
Pour it out.
Oh, oh, he got it!
This is Lightning McQueen! Yeah!
Ready, buddy?
Ready?
All right, Dan. Get it out.
This is Lightning McQueen! Yeah!
Lightning McQueen. Yeah, good job.
Cool! Chick Hicks! Yeah!
Hey, what? What's going on?
Bingo! Haha!
Right back at ya. Oops, I missed. You going on vacation?
This is Holly! Cool!
If I can just reverse the polarity.
This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah.
Ciao! You're gonna fit right in California.
This is Danica Lightning McQueen. Wow, rod burner. Yeah. Look at these guys, Frank. This is Lightning McQueen. Yeah.
McQueen's the winner. Francesco's second, and they have no idea what happened behind them.
This is impossible.
That's what I'm talking about. Ka-chow!
Oh, this is red. Wow.
Is it getting dark out?
Now, what was I supposed to do after that?
Life could be a dream.
Cool, DJ. Yeah.
Pretty music.